Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share with you my third tag in my gift tag series that I'm having, 10 gift tags. It's part of a swap that I am participating in, and so I've already made the first two, or I've already shared the first two tags, and you can watch that playlist here. If you've just joined, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing so that you will be notified when I upload the next videos. So my tag number three is this tag here, and it came together pretty quickly. I used Well, I thought I left the things out that I used to make this tag, but unfortunately I did not. So I did start off with a die that I have in my stash. I die cut a white sheet of paper, cardstock that I had stamped the to and from on, and I backed it to this pattern paper here. I'm not sure where I got that pattern paper from. I did add like a snowy type of hill here. And then these die cuts are from a Stampin' Up! Die set that I have. And then I have this reindeer die in my stash as well. And I just cut him out of foil glitter. What is this? Glitter foam. Yeah. So I cut it out of glitter foam so it gives the dimension. And then I added the satin ribbon and then tied the red ribbon around the satin one. So that completes tag number 3. So I'm hoping that you are finding lots of inspiration, and if you are making tags for your holiday season, let me know in the comments below. So for more videos like these, see here. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Shakas.